Climb inside the 2012 Hyundai Genesis. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. Under the hood, you'll find a six-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It includes power seats, leather upholstery, one-touch window functionality, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, heated seats, and remote keyless entry. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.